In today's video, I'm going to teach you about two popular collaboration platforms, Miro and Mural. These platforms are particularly valuable for teams in need of dynamic online workspaces. Each offers unique strengths and is suitable for different needs, so let's explore what makes each of them stand out. Starting with Miro, this platform is best suited for teams looking for a flexible, free-form workspace. It's ideal for projects that involve creating complex visual systems or mapping out intricate ideas. Miro really shines in managing projects that span the entire innovation process, from discovery right through to delivery. One of the key strengths of Miro is its powerful capabilities for handling complex projects. It offers a wider range of integrations with other apps, which means it can easily fit into your existing ecosystem of tools. While Miro does have a steeper learning curve due to its numerous features, this also makes it more comprehensive for those who are tackling larger, more intricate projects. Additionally, Miro is great for asynchronous collaboration, making it a reliable option for teams that may not always be working at the same time. The starting cost for its paid plans is reasonably low, which is definitely a plus for teams keeping an eye on the budget. On the other hand, Mural is best for teams that require a more structured, user-friendly environment. It's a great choice for real-time collaboration, especially during brainstorming sessions or design thinking workshops. Mural is praised for being intuitive and easy for beginners to learn, making it an excellent choice if your team is new to collaborative online platforms. One of its standout features is the built-in facilitation tools, such as timers and voting, which are easy to access and use. This focus on guided collaboration helps keep workshops structured and efficient. Mural offers a simple yet appealing visual interface, which appeals to teams looking for a less complex way of working together synchronously. Now, when it comes to choosing between these platforms, consider the nature of your team's projects. If your team regularly works on diverse and complex projects and requires extensive integration with various tools, Miro might be the better choice. On the other hand, if your primary need is real-time, structured brainstorming, and you highly value a platform that is simple and easy to learn, then Mural could be the perfect fit. Don't forget to consider which platform's free tier aligns best with your initial needs. Both Miro and Mural offer extended trial periods for their services, so take advantage of these opportunities to test out each platform with your team. Experiment with their features, see how they fit into your current workflows, and make a well-informed choice based on your team's specific requirements.